Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hi, thank you for your inquiry on our Skoda Kodiaq, registration KY20 LXO. Here we have the driver's side of the vehicle. Along with some stunning alloy wheels in petrol blue metallic. We have the rear of the vehicle. Vehicle does come with automatic tailgate and is a 7-seat option. Here we have the two back seats pushing forward to the front of the vehicle, still with some reasonable enough boot space. Coming over to the passenger side, vehicle is an SEL, comes standard with the partial leather and micro suede upholstery. Moving over to the front, here we have the instrument cluster. Vehicle has 4,374 miles. Infotainment unit, dual zone climate control with heated front seats and electronic parking brake. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to get in contact with us. Our contact number is 0208 686 8844.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.